28 West 4th Street, Wilmington, Delaware, 19802. 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath. As you can see here, we have Pergo floors, fresh paint, 2 updated ceiling fans, central heating and air, basement, a washer dryer hookup. Straight through is your kitchen. Dishwasher. Updated cabinets. Plenty of cabinet space. Range included. Extra storage. Your refrigerator. Tiled floors. This here is your entrance to your backyard. Back to the living room. You have a nice exposed brick as your backdrop. Cable ready. Now we go to the second floor. Straight ahead is the master bedroom. Again, ceiling fans installed. Fresh paint. Closet space. Cable ready. Carpets are cleaned professionally before move-in. Full bath number 1. Includes a full tub. Updated vanity set. You could either leave through the entrance hallway or straight through to the second bedroom. Closet space. Into the second bedroom. Again, ceiling fans. Down there is the hallway where we just entered into the bathroom and onto the first master bedroom. Alright. Upstairs, entering the 3rd and final level. Third floor, you have a second full bathroom, this time with the stand-up shower. Again, updated vanity set. And once again, we have another entrance from the hallway. We're straight through to the 3rd bedroom, closet space, and into the 3rd and final bedroom. Now they both have doors to the bathroom and bedroom, so there is privacy. No need to worry about that. Fresh paint, ceiling fans, cable ready, and professionally cleaned and shampooed carpet for each move-in. This rent is currently going for $10.45 a month. Please contact Cintellex Properties for any questions or concerns or to schedule your appointment. And once again, second bedroom, we just left the top floor. Master bedroom once again. Love the exposed brick. Makes for great decor. Decorating it is endless. cargo floors.